Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, Repair Shop Mechanical Collective of Rourkela Steel Plant reconditions descaling pump assembly of hot strip mill. And intensive sanitization by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant continues to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. The news in detail. The committed employees of Repair Shop Mechanical of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP have successfully repaired and reconditioned the high-pressure descaling pumps of hot strip mill. This enterprising venture has resulted in direct financial saving of Rs 65 lakhs for the company. It may be noted that 4 high-pressure descaling pumps are installed in hot strip mill, out of which 2 pumps run continuously to meet production of HR coil and 2 pumps are kept as standby. In January 2021, Pump 1 of KSB make started malfunctioning and did not develop desired pressure. The repair and reconditioning of pump assembly had never been taken up earlier in RSP. The Repair Shop Mechanical Collective took up the challenge of repairing the pump in-house with the available resources. While dismantling the existing pump assembly, the main shaft was found broken and not fit for use. Drawing of shaft was modified as per sample and an alloy steel shaft was developed in RSM as per the drawing, maintaining all dimensions with accuracy. 2 damaged impellers were made at structural and fabrication shop and machined in RSM. Gland sleeve bushes were undercut, built up and machined according to required sizes. Before making the assembly ready for dynamic balancing, new keyway was machined at 180 degree to the damaged keyway of balancing piston. Many other modifications and improvements were also done during assembly that was carried out in hydraulic section of RSM. Finally, arrangements were done in-house to test the descaling pump assembly and testing was done successfully. It is worth mentioning that the jobs that are involved a lot of machining work could be completed well in time in spite of the prevailing trying times with respect to the COVID-19. Earlier, also the Repair Shop Mechanical Collective had been instrumental in repairing and reconditioning many critical equipment such as mud gun boom assemblies, left hand and right hand for blast furnace 1, classifiers, hydro motors, in-bar pumps of blast furnace 4 and 5, drive pulley assemblies of MCC and exciter, coke and sinter side assemblies of blast furnace 5. Disinfection drive by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has intensified for preventing the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. On 23rd April, the team from Civil Engineering Department disinfected the gates across the plant, ensuring safety of the employees and all who enter the premises, including the CISF personnel who are posted at the gates round the clock. Provision of hand sanitization at all entry points and office entrances continues as a safety precaution. In addition to this, daily mopping with disinfectants is being organized in the offices. Frequently touched areas and articles like tabletops, chairs, chair handles, pen stands, computers, keyboards, mouse pads, printers, sanitizer dispensers, intercom equipments, etc. are also being cleaned with disinfectants on a daily basis. Besides, individual departments and employees are also taking every possible precaution like regular hand washing, social distancing and use of masks in accordance with the workplace advisory. Once again, a gentle reminder to our viewers to kindly wear masks, frequently wash your hands, maintain social distance and avoid crowded places as far as possible. Stay safe, stay healthy. That's all in today's news bulletin. Namaskar.